What's up, YouTubers? I'm going to be showing you a ollie and how to do one and explain one. Here, let me move this. And that. So first, you should put your foot right here. This is my foot planting right here. So you're at the back of the tail. You just want to pop it and slide your foot up, and it'll eventually go like this. And then when you land it, you got to get your shoulders straight down with your feet. So pretty much it's like this. Like this. Like that. So let's prefer how to do one. There we go. And that time I put my my shoulders down. Now I'm going to be explaining it from ready. So that I'm going to get some more speed for going this way. So yeah, subscribe. That's how you do one. And comment what you think and see if you get it. But